An introduction to start the story, a journey of faith, in a small, picturesque village nestled between rolling hills, where time seemed to stand still, there lived a woman named Sarah. She was known for her unwavering faith, a beacon of hope in a world often overshadowed by uncertainty and doubt. This is the tale of her remarkable journey, a journey that would test the limits of her faith.
One day, a great calamity struck the village. A severe drought plagued the land, and the once lush fields turned barren. The villagers were despondent, and despair crept into their hearts. But not Sarah. She believed in the power of faith, a belief passed down through generations. With determination in her eyes, Sarah set out on a journey to find a solution. She climbed the highest hill, knelt beneath the vast open sky, and prayed with all her might. Her faith was her compass, guiding her through the darkest of nights. Days turned into weeks, and as Sarah wandered through the wilderness, she encountered numerous challenges. Hungry wolves, treacherous terrain, and bitter cold tested her resolve. Yet, her faith remained unshaken. She found solace in her prayers and courage in her unwavering belief. Miraculously, one day, Sarah stumbled upon a hidden spring. Its crystal, clear waters gushed forth, and she realized that her faith had led her to the answer. She rushed back to the village, her heart filled with joy. Sarah shared the water from the newfound spring with her fellow villagers, and the land began to heal. Crops flourished, and life returned to the village. Sarah's journey of faith had not only saved the village, but had also strengthened the faith of those around her. The story of Sarah's unwavering faith spread far and wide, inspiring countless others to reflect on their own beliefs. It became a testament to the power of faith in the face of adversity, teaching people that even in the most uncertain times, it's possible to find hope, strength, and solutions through faith. As the village prospered, Sarah's journey became a legend, reminding all who heard it that faith could move mountains even in a world filled with uncertainty. Thanks for watching. For more interesting updates, please like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel.